Good morning, students. Welcome to day 7. In today's class, we are going to discuss the last remained biomacromolecule, that is nucleic acid. As we discussed in the last class, the previous macromolecules like polysaccharides, proteins, all these things. So today we will continue with nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. From the day one I am telling that is micromolecule ಕೂಡಿ macromolecule ಆಗಿರ್ತವಂತ. So amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Amino acids ಕೂಡಿ protein ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. And then monosaccharides or simple sugars are the building blocks of polysaccharide. Okay. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು monosaccharide ಕೂಡಿ polysaccharide ಆಗಿರ್ತವ. So monosaccharides are the building blocks of polysaccharide. Like that, nucleic acid building blocks ಏನದವ್ರಿ? That is nucleotides. Like that. So nucleotides, you know, those comes under the category of micromolecule. Micromolecule daga amino acid bantu, monosaccharide, simple sugar bantu, then nucleotides bantu. Now nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acids. Now what are nucleic acids? Again nothing but these are the macromolecules. These are the polymer of nucleotides. Polymer of nucleotides. Now I will write here nucleic acids. These are the polymer of nucleotides. Nucleosides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? Ribose sugar when combined with the nitrogen base, there is combination of nitrogen base and ribose sugar is called nucleoside, and combination of nitrogen base, ribose sugar and phosphate is called nucleotide. Nitrogen base ಏನೇನದವ್ರಿ? adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, like that. Previous class ದಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Okay. Now these are the polymers of nucleotides and are macro in micro and are polymer mega macro molecules. That is biomacromolecules ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay. Now what is a nucleotide actually? Nucleotide ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Combination of, that is nitrogen base, sugar, ಯಾವ sugar ಅದು? Pentose, 5 carbon containing sugar, ribose. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ribose and deoxyribose, like that. And then phosphate. Now the building blocks of nucleic acid are nucleotides. Now listen. Now again nucleic acids are of two types. I will write first the components of nucleotides. Nucleotides are of two types. Andrew, first, that is deoxyribonucleotide, deoxyribonucleic acid. Nothing but our DNA, genetic material in most of the organisms. Second yaudri? Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. Nothing but RNA. Difference ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ. Now a nucleotide is chemically composed of three components. Three components. The first one is heterocyclic nitrogen containing compounds, heterocyclic nitrogen containing compounds, nothing but nitrogen bases, short version between nitrogen bases. Okay, now nitrogen bases like what? That is first purine, second it is pyrimidine ಅಥವಾ pyrimidine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? adenine, then second type is guanine, and then pyrimidine ಒಳಗ ಮೂರು ಬರ್ತವೆ. That is first cytosine and second thymine and C, that is third one uracil. Now these are abbreviated. The standard abbreviation of these nitrogen bases is adenine A, guanine that is G, then pyrimidine olaga cytosine is C, thymine T, and uracil that is U, capital, like that. These are the standard abbreviations of nitrogen bases. Now here remember book ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ substituted purines are adenine and guanine. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ರೀ ಅದು? substituted purines and substituted purine ಯಾವ್ರಿ? adenine guanine. They are actually the purines, but that is substituted purine ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ? adenine and guanine are formed. Then pyrimidine are again substituted pyrimidines. Okay, substituted pyrimidine ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರ? cytosine, thymine, uracil. Substituted word, I hope you also heard that is in the previous classes. What are that is amino acids? Amino acids are what? Substituted methane ಅಂತ ಒಂದು NCERT ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Amino acids are again ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. substituted methane. What is this? Nothing but amino acids. Amino acids are substituted methane. Idu ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. And substituted purine ಯಾವದವ್ರಿ? adenine guanine. Substituted pyrimidine ಯಾವದವ? cytosine, thymine, uracil. This is the first chemical component of a nucleotide. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರ total? 3 ಅದಾವ. Then second sugar, we can call it as monosaccharide. ಯಾವ್ದು sugar? Ribose. Ribose sugar, yesterday I told it is a pentose sugar, nothing but C5H10O5, ribose sugar. Okay, C5H10O5, this is the formula. Now actually yaudri? Ribose sugar. Now this ribose sugar in DNA, it is also called as, I will write here, that is second deoxyribose. Nothing but what? At the second carbon, the oxygen is eliminated in the ribose. That is ninne nodidu deoxygenation anta. That is nothing but deoxy sugar. So in DNA, the sugar is called deoxyribose sugar. That is nucleic acid. Ya sugar idre nucleic acid olaga two types of nucleic acid idare, DNA, RNA. DNA, why it is called like that? D means deoxyribose. RNA, as it is, it contains complete structure of the sugar, component of the sugar, that is ribonucleic acid. Illi perfect name bantadri ee ribone olaga C5H10O5 bantada, but illi C5H10O4. This is the chemical formula for deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar, and this is the normal one, ribose sugar. Okay. Now second degree, that is at the second carbon it is removed. I tell you the diagram also. Then third chemical component is phosphate or phosphoric acid. phosphoric acid or phosphate ion. Okay, that is one. PO4 3 minus. PO4 phosphate ions ಅಥವಾ phosphoric acid H3PO4 acid ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ H3PO4 like that. That is 3 hydrogen are eliminated during the bond formation and hangagi there is 3 minus. That is one. So here 3 hydrogen are eliminated. Hangagi udide andre 4 oxygen. The oxygen only. 3 are eliminated. What are eliminated here? Hydrogen is eliminated during ester bond formation. That is phosphodiester bond formation. No. So these are the components of our nucleotides. Now after this I will give you the diagram of pentose sugar. Simple again here. The idea is here it is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth carbon outside the ring. Here it forms that is CH2OH, and here it is OH, and then it is here OH, it is OH. Now listen, here also at the 4 OH and H here. Now, so what happens at the second carbon? This is actually a perfect ribose sugar. Okay, complete ribose sugar. Deoxy from the second carbon, oxygen is eliminated, and now it turns into it will convert into deoxyribose. Okay, like that. Now, after this, coming to these nitrogen bases, how they are arranged. Okay, one by one adu nodu. The nitrogen bases, nothing but purines, are always paired with pyrimidine. Purine always paired with pyrimidine. Again, that is topic in which heading it is? Nature of linking the monomer, bond linking the monomer in a polymer. So from this heading what we come to know, there are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA is what? Genetic material in most of the organism. Most of the organisms, whereas RNA is genetic material in viruses. In few viruses like tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus adrolaga yav genetic material idri? RNA acts as the genetic material. Now listen, DNA is double stranded and RNA is single stranded. Okay, again here few exceptions are there in RNA. RNA maximum it is single stranded only, but few viruses like retrovirus and Rice-Dorf virus and that is one. Aa viruses olaga RNA double stranded irthude. Okay, exception adavri retrovirus and Rice-Dorf virus. Ee virus olaga RNA is double stranded, but maximum RNA is single stranded, whereas DNA is double stranded, and DNA is genetic material most of the organisms. It is only in viruses. Now, after this, the next heading. Now already proteins antu mugisivi, polysaccharide mugisivi. The next heading is nature of bond linking monomers in a polymer. One polymer ತಯಾರಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? Many monomers have to join. ಆ monomers ಯಾವ ತರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತವ ಅದು ಆ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ What are the monomers? Protein is a polypeptide chain. Peptide bond ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. Which bond it is? Now protein or peptide bond. What are the monomers of that polypeptide? Amino acids. Amino acids join together to form a polypeptide chain, nothing but protein. Which bond? Peptide bond. Like that, polysaccharides ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Building blocks of polysaccharide are simple sugars. That is monosaccharide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Monosaccharide combined together. ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು, that is cellulose formed by the combination of continuous, that is glucose joining. So ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Glycosidic bond. So bond ಯಾವ ತರ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತವೆ like that. Now coming to nucleic acids. Nucleic acid is what? It is a polynucleotide. Okay, nucleic acid what? Polynucleotide. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, polypeptide, polysaccharide, polynucleotide. Polynucleotide ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now listen. Nature of bond linking monomers. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Monomers to form what? Poly. In a polymer. Polymer ಒಳಗ monomers ಯಾವ ತರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ? First coming to amino acids. For example, amino acids. Okay. They are what? Building blocks. Join to form polypeptide chain. Polypeptide chain, nothing but what? Protein. Now, amino acid ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? Carbon, how that is? 4 valencies like this. Here it is again amine group like this. Here it is variable group. Here for example that is hydroxy, that is methyl hydroxy, that is or hydrogen will join ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, that is nature of the amino acid changes. Now here it is carboxylic group, here it is H. H ಇಕ್ಕಂಡು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. Now this is one amino acid, it joins the another amino acid ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? I told in the initial classes also, the peptide bond is formed between amine group of the one amino acid and carboxylic group of the next amino acid. So for example, this is the first, I will write here R1. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ amino acid. ಈ R ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದು H ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, the nature of amino acid changes. Now here again NH2, I will write like this now because H will fuse here. Now this is carbon, again here COOH, again here it is R2 and then H. Now I told peptide bond is formed between the carboxylic group of one amino acid and amine group of the next amino acid. Now listen here, carboxylic group. So here OH joins with the 1H of this amine group. For example, EH ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಇವಾಗ. H I will place here one and then this one H. This one. Now what is eliminated here? H2O. One water molecule eliminated. This process is called dehydration and the bond formed is peptide bond. Peptide bond. Which is this bond? Peptide bond. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is COA and this is amine group. So this bond formed by the elimination of water molecule, one water molecule, that is peptide bond. Again here same, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Again peptide bond. So for example, this is H, NH2, this is amine group and this COOH and this R3 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿವ, third amino acid. Then H. Now it is formed like this. Again what eliminated? H2O. To form one peptide bond, one water molecule is eliminated, again a peptide bond forms. Like this 20 amino acids join and one protein is formed. 20 amino acids are required for, that is one protein molecule formation. One peptide bond, second peptide bond, like that, third, fourth and so on. Polypeptide chain of polypeptide. So remember here, this is the left end, ending with what? Amine group, isn't it? Hence it is called N terminal. I agree. Next here it is ending with carboxylic group, hence it is called C terminal. ಇದು ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದಿದೆ protein ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, like that is the bond formed in the protein is now which one is peptide bond. Amino acids combine to form protein. After this polysaccharides. Okay, polysaccharide ನೋಡೋಣ, nothing but glucose. Bond formed in protein ಐತ್ರಿ polysaccharides. Polysaccharides, nothing but what are the monomeric units of polysaccharide? Monosaccharide. Simple ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, disaccharide ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, then trisaccharide. Now amino acid ಹಂಗೆ ಐತ್ರಿ. Okay, first amino acid, second amino acid, third amino acid, like that. Here also first glucose. Now how it is going to form, which bond it is? Glycosidic bond. For example, hexose sugar na draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here it is CH2OH, first carbon, here it is oxygen molecule, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth is the outside, it forms CH2OH group. Now here it is C6H12O6 glucose formula, H here and that is OH here, OH, H, then OH and H. Remember hydroxyl group here at the lower side, here this is nothing but chemistry ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದಿರೋದು, that is Haworth projection formula ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, according to that rule or that formula the placement is like this. Now after this is one glucose. Okay, now when it forms a disaccharide, which bond is formed here? Glycosidic bond. Same glucose formed in the Cori structure like this. Now here I will write only this one, fourth carbon. Now listen, here this H, OH, the third OH and H, same ikkada ade bartadre. Like that, this is the first carbon, again this is again what? CH2OH. Now here the bond formed between what? This one, that is H2O eliminated here, H2O eliminated, this one, only O remains here, only O remains here. Okay, now this bond is nothing but what? Glycosidic bond, glycosidic bond. Now like that, here again it will continue like the same. Now this OH eliminated and ikkadinda ಒಂದು H ಇರ್ತದೆ, that is eliminated, remained is O, like this, H here, it is again what? Same structure. So disaccharide, this is a trisaccharide, like that. More agari. Bond is glycosidic bond. So like that, here the bond formed in the polysaccharide is glycosidic bond. Now coming to nucleic acids formation. Nucleic acids. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now here in nucleic acid what are the components? First ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು nucleic acid ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Nucleic acid joined by nucleotide. Many nucleotides join and form what? Polynucleotide. Now one nucleotide nothing but having how many chemical components? Nitrogen base, adenine guanine cytosine, like that, AGCT. DNA ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, and in RNA instead of thymine uracil is present. Adenine guanine cytosine present in DNA as well as RNA. But in DNA thymine ಇರ್ತದ and RNA ಒಳಗ adenine guanine cytosine ಇರ್ತವ ಮೂರು. Thymine ಜಾಗ uracil ಬರ್ತದೆ. Like that total 5 nitrogen bases are there. Nitrogen bases and then phosphoric acid or phosphate group, and then what? Third, ribose sugar. That is monosaccharide. You could make it. These have to join. Now remember, ribose sugar is what? It is a pentose sugar like this. Pentose sugar. I will write here. Yes, that is sugar. Now, after that, what joins here? Nucleoside ethylene backpuri. At the first carbon of ribose sugar, the nitrogen base join. For example, here the nitrogen base is adenine. Okay, adenine. Adenine joins to the first carbon. Now this is formed is what? Nucleoside. Now this is add agagri phosphate. Then it will become nucleotide. Phosphate joins to the fifth carbon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth is outside the ring. That is CH2OH. Now when phosphate joins here, this complete structure is called nucleotide. Then nucleotide. What is nucleotide? Combination of ribose sugar, nitrogen base and phosphate. What is nucleoside? Combination of ribose sugar, phosphate. Ribose sugar, nitrogen base. Okay. Now the bond yatra tayaragtundi nodona. What are nitrogen bases? Heterocyclic compounds. Purines are double ring structure. Pyrimidines are single ring structure. So in detail we will see here. Just one nucleotide ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. This is ribose sugar. First carbon. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು polysaccharide ಒಳಗೆ. The bond, glycosidic bond was formed between what? What is this? This is solve nodkori. First carbon of one monosaccharide and then what? Fourth carbon. This is the fourth carbon. Then glycosidic bond. So it is called, that is alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. That's what normal new glycosidic bond ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. What is the 1,4 here? One is carbon of this glucose and fourth is carbon of the second glucose. 1,4 glycosidic bond. Okay, ಆತರ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. Now after that coming to the main here, carbon number 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? Adenine guanine. Remember, adenine is a double ringed structure. Purines are double ringed structure. Pyrimidines are single ringed structures. Like this. Okay. Now, here it contains nitrogen bases at the first carbon, third carbon, seventh carbon and ninth carbon. Idu niಮಗೆ second row detail ಐತಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ normally ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. The ninth position is having, that is nitrogen group here. Now, so this nitrogen, the ninth place, pair with the carbon number 1. This diagram reverse here. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. The diagram is reverse just. This ring is here. Now here it is ninth carbon. So this nitrogen group and here it is OH irtada, H ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ. So here it NH2NI3, this OH and H from this area, it forms that is eliminate H2O and forms one bond called glycosidic. Again actually it is N-glycosidic. N-glycosidic. In glyco word ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ? Because sugar content, carbon content. Okay, N-glycosidic bond. This is structure for adenine as well as guanine. Remember, so double ringed structure. Pyrimidine ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? Single ringed. This is an actually second year, but in short ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. Okay, that is pyrimidine, that is their single ringed structure. Heterocyclic compound ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, nitrogen containing. Here the nitrogen is present at the first carbon and the third carbon, like that. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Okay. So what happens here in the pyrimidine? Okay. When a pyrimidine pairs with the ribose sugar, the first carbon of pyrimidine, adu cytosine ಇರಬಹುದು, thymine ಇರಬಹುದು, uracil ಇರಬಹುದು. First carbon hatra nitrogen ಐತಿ, that pairs with the first carbon of ribose sugar. and forms nucleoside. Okay. Now, when comes to purine, adenine ಇರಬಹುದು, guanine ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Purine ದು adenine ಅಥವಾ guanine ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ. The ninth nitrogen pair with, actually nitrogen to H pair ಆಗ್ತದೆ with the OH of first carbon. So here the ninth nitrogen is pairing with the first carbon of the ribose sugar. When it is during the purine pairing with the ribose. When the pyrimidine comes, that is pyrimidine's first carbon pairs with the first carbon of ribose. Idu nenpi. Now this is about total what? H2O, and again the process is dehydration. Bond formed is N-glycosidic bond. Now here OH, for example, DNA idre now H ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ deoxyribose, and here it is again OH, again H here. Here it is OH, H, it is CH2OH. Now I will write like this, CH2OH. Remember, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ನೋಡೋಣ. Who is going to join at the fifth carbon? Phosphate. Phosphate formula ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? H3PO4. Now listen like this. Double bond oxygen, then OH, and this side again OH, again OH. Now listen, OH from, that is H from phosphate, it will form the group with this OH. You confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, this OH. Now again eliminated here what? H2O. One bond forms here called ester bond. When an acid and alcohol, that is nothing but sugar here, when an acid and alcohol combines, the bond formed is ester bond. ಯಾವ bond ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Ester bond. I will give the rough diagram also. For example, ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now here it will be next nucleotide. book ಒಳಗ diagram ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. I will draw here the normal diagram. This is one sugar. This is the other sugar. Okay, like that. Now here it is third carbon having OH group, it is the fifth carbon having the CH2OH. Okay, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Phosphate. Remember, phosphate will form ester bond to this nucleotide also and to this nucleoside also. Difference ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Phosphate forms the ester bond with the fifth carbon of one ribose sugar, this ribose sugar, and third carbon of the succeeding sugar. Succeeding ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. So remember, phosphate is forming bond with the fifth carbon of one nucleotide, one sugar, and phosphate is also forming the ester bond with third carbon of next nucleotide. That is one. Okay, now here this one ester and this two, the total how many esters are formed here? Two esters. That is called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅದು? It is the bond formed between the two nucleotides. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡೆನೈನ್ ಐತಿ, ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, and ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ guanine ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This one. Now this is one what? Nucleotide. This nucleotide pairs with again this one. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Again here it is a phosphate like this. So these are the two. It is called dinucleotide. Dinucleotide. Now what is phosphate doing here? It is connecting the two nucleotides, or the previous and the succeeding. That is one. Okay. So it is connecting the two nucleotides and the chain formed is dinucleotide. ಇದೇ ತರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? Many nucleotides combined that we call polynucleotide. For example, here it is third group OH, it combines with the phosphate. Okay, again here it is fifth, again fifth carbon kade pair agtada. Again these are two what? Phosphodiester. Here again one phosphodiester. Okay, separate ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ester ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತವ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಾಗ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್ like that. So phosphodiester bonds are here forming the chain of nucleotide. दिस इज ट्राइन्यूक्लियोटाइड नाउ इकडे ಏನಿತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಕಡೆ like that a chain is formed that is called polynucleotide chain. So nucleic acids ಒಳಗ chain ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ here it is n glycosidic bond and then here it is phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. Now finally ಏನಾಗ್ತದ the total 3H hydrogens from the phosphates are eliminated and hence the hydrogen become what negatively charged, that is the phosphate becomes what negatively charged PO4 3 minus ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ it that is its hydrogen molecules are eliminated and it is negatively charged and due to which DNA also becomes negatively charged, that is nucleic acids also become negatively charged. DNA is negatively charged is ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Actually this topic is completely for the 12th standard molecular base of inheritance chapter ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈವನ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಯೋಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ನಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ಸಿಆರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಲಿಸನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ n ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸೈಡಿಕ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ನೌ ಲಿಸನ್, nucleic acids show some secondary structures. Now what is secondary structure? ನೋಡೋಣ. Scientists Watson and Crick gave a duplex model of DNA. Nucleic acids exhibits secondary structures. Especially that is DNA is a double helix and this was told by scientists Watson and Crick. Remember in the detail olaga second year olaga they got Nobel Prize also. They gave the duplex model in 1952 and they got Nobel Prize in 1963, 9 years later. That is 9 years later. Okay, so your model prakara DNA ಯಾವ ತರ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರಿ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ DNA is a double stranded molecule whereas RNA is a single stranded molecule. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ purine always pairs with pyrimidine. So total structure of DNA we will discuss in the next class. That is one. Okay, so till then read well. Thank you.